That region of the world called Southeast Asia is also known as the Indo-Chinese Peninsula. It lies between India. Every 5 days, the bazaar is held in the nearby town of Kengtung. Here, Funjan is able to use the money from the sale of his surplus rice and forest products. Various foods, drugs, yarn, cloth, and implements are sold in the bazaar. Many of the people come not only to buy, but to sell their products as well. Delicacies are tempting to the visitors. Funjan and his family cannot resist buying the fish cakes, which are boiled in fat and wrapped in a palm leaf. It's pleasant for the family to stroll through the town on these market days and perhaps visit the Buddhist temple. The people of Burma are predominantly of the Buddhist religion. Shrines and temples can be found in all the towns and villages. Kengtung is a very old town. This area of Burma is still ruled by an active prince called the Sobhuaji. Many different tribes are gathered under his rule. Belong to the Ika tribe. They enjoy dancing in this circular formation for many hours at a time. The Shams have their own special dance. The costumes and movements represent birds and animals with which they are familiar and which they sometimes worship. The knife dance is performed only by the most skilled and respected men of the village. There is a good school in the town of Kengtung where children learn English as well as Burmese. English was introduced into Burma when it was a British colony and is still spoken commonly among educated people. Not all of the children in Burma have a chance to go to school. But even so, the children of Burma are comparatively well off. The country is not overpopulated. These youngsters will find enough food to eat and jobs to work at. Nomadic tribes, some are mountain tribes, some are Malays, others are Indian, Chinese, and mixtures of the three. Able country, able to provide a better life for its people and take its place among the other growing new nations of Southeast Asia. Provide a better life for its people and take its place among the other growing new nations of Southeast Asia.